Jay, saying no directly is not always rude.
Mira, I lost a friendship over one no. One!
What happened?
I said, no, I can't come to my friend's birthday. Just like that. He thought I didn't care. We didn't talk for a month.
Okay, that's not because you said no. That's because of how you said no.
But I was being honest.
In English, honest and polite have to come together. You can't just pick one.
Nobody told me this for years. Before we go further, welcome to Talk Mira. I'm Jay.
I'm Mira, and I've been trying to teach this man politeness for months.
It's a work in progress. This is Talk Mira.
Your weekly English fix. No textbooks, no boring drills, just real talk. Today, one topic: how to say no in English without sounding rude. We cover 3 real situations: work, friends, and strangers, and give you the exact words for each.
By the end of this episode, your no will never cost you a friendship again, or a colleague, or a stranger at a coffee shop.
Especially the coffee shop.
Okay, Mira just asked me to help her move apartments this Saturday. Watch. No, I'm busy.
Okay.
See? Honest, direct, done.
Jay, I want to cry right now.
Why?
The answer was no, but the delivery was a wall. Same answer, different words. Try again.
I'm so sorry, Mira. I genuinely wish I could. I already have plans Saturday I can't move. Can I help you another day?
Yes, that's it. Same no, completely different feeling.
It actually felt like I cared about you, even though I still said no.
Because you do care, and now your words show it. If you've been saying no the direct way, you are not a rude person. You learned English the translation way. In many languages, a direct no is completely normal and respectful. Millions of learners do exactly this every day. You just needed someone to show you the English way. Here's what's actually happening. In English, a direct no feels like a wall. The person walks toward you and hits it. No warning, no softness, just wall.
So, English speakers need something before the wall?
Think of it like a door with a note on it. Instead of slamming the door, you put a small note first. The note says, "I really wish I could, but I'm not available." Door is still closed. But the person feels respected, not rejected.
So the note is what changes everything, not the no itself.
Exactly. And the note has 3 parts. 1. A softener. 2. A small reason or feeling. 3. The no or an alternative offer.
What's a softener?
Words like, "I'm afraid," "I'm so sorry," "Unfortunately," "I wish I could." These tell the person, this no is not personal. I'm not happy about it either.
So, no, I can't becomes, I'm afraid I can't.
Already sounds like a completely different person said it.
What about strangers, like someone on the street asking for money or directions you don't know?
Same formula, just shorter. "I'm sorry, I'm not sure," for directions. "I'm afraid I can't today," for anything else. Softener first. Always.
I've been skipping the softener my whole life.
Jay, we know.
Okay, Mira, ask me anything. I'm using the note method.
Jay, can you record an extra episode this weekend?
Oh, I really wish I could. I'm completely full this weekend. Could we plan it for next week instead?
Perfect. Naturally done.
Your turn. I'll ask you. Mira, can you lend me some money?
I'm so sorry, Jay. I'm afraid I can't right now. But remind me next month.
Even the money no sounded nice.
Did everyone hear that? Jay used the softener first. "I really wish I could." Then a small reason. Then an alternative. And my no had a softener too. I'm so sorry, plus a future option. Both no's. Both completely polite. Both natural. Quick fix time. Wrong. No, I can't. Direct wall, no softener. Right. I'm so sorry. I'm afraid I can't. I wish I could. Note on the door. Remember, in English, put a note on the door before you close it. Saying no is not rude. Saying no without a softener is. And now you know the difference.
So next time someone asks you something and the answer is no, remember the note. Small softener, real feeling, door closed, but gently.
And if this episode helped you today, subscribing takes 1 second and it genuinely means the world to us. We make this for you every single week.
I'm Jay.
I'm Mira.
Keep talking, keep growing.
This is Talk Mira.
Mira.